Hello and welcome. My name is Errol Muller, and in this video I've got a huge forex trading opportunity for you. Not my screen, not the screen you are seeing right now. That is an expert advisor running for me, and I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about an opportunity for you watching this video right now to join every single trade, basically copy every single trade that I do automatically, where you can either place the trade yourself manually, or you can literally, we set up the system for you, whereby you, every single time I take a trade, it's like following me, like literally copying me, like over the shoulder training, although you won't be able to see me. But every single time I take a trade, your account takes a trade as well. I've been trading since the year 2014, 2015. I got more serious starting the year 2015 up until now, which gives it about 6 to 7 years worth of success, forex trading success. And that is why I'm saying I've got a huge opportunity for you, and it's very important that you pay very close attention within this video. Just to share some of my knowledge with you, this is an expert advisor that I am running, and we literally taking this account. It's live, as you can see on the top left hand side. It says the ECN live server. This is a live account. It trades live money. Currently the balance is $458, and we are literally taking this account from $100 all the way up to $10,000, and I'm doing it live. And this live stream streams on my YouTube channel every single month, every single week, every single day, from Mondays till Fridays, for you to follow along and see the account growing live. So if I had to head over to YouTube, let's quickly do that. I want to show you what I'm talking about while on my YouTube channel. I want to show you what you will be seeing. I'm not even logged in to YouTube right now. Let's quickly log in. Errol Muller. There we go. So as soon as you are on my channel, when the stream is live, it will show up on my home screen. Live forex trading robot 1, that is the robot that is running, and then with numerous other uploads. So what is this opportunity that I am talking about? You might be asking yourself, Errol, what is this opportunity you are talking about? So if you are a complete beginner, you have absolutely no experience within forex trading, in the comments right now, I want you to quickly go ahead and just type in, "Hi Errol, I'm a complete beginner and would like to follow you. Would like to follow your trading style. Would like to follow your trades. Would like to take trades exactly when you take a trade." Comment that right now. Okay. Even if you are an experienced forex trader, okay, even if you are an experienced forex trader, this is for you as well. Depending on how much experience you've got, what is your returns on investment at this point in time, my return on investment per month averages between 12 to 15%. Okay, every single month. So if you are getting those returns per month, then good for you. Then we should get in contact. If you get more than that per month, we should definitely get in contact. So that is the return that I am currently getting. So quickly reverting back to what I want, another thing that I want to share with you, which is this specific expert advisor or forex trading robot. So this specific forex trading robot, literally within the last 2 weeks and 3 days, today is Wednesday, we had a return. I did the calculation. So quickly, so as you can see the profits, so if I had to go back in days, so literally, I think it's this one right here. Yes. So since the 26th up until, around the 26th of July up until the 2nd of August, we managed to return already $33.65. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot because the account is still small. Once we reach the $5,000, $6,000 mark, it will be a lot more, I can tell you that, because the lot sizes will start to increase as well. So let's do a quick calculation. 33.65, and then we head back to trade. The actual trading balance, live trading balance, divided by 458.81, enter, times 100. So in the last 2 weeks, and that's when I started the stream, was two weeks and 3 days ago, we were sitting at $422. So that is an investment return already of 7.33%, 2 weeks and 3 days time. And that is crazy. So if you are interested and you would like to have a look at this robot, then I'm just going to show you where to get it, but that is not the point of this video. What I wanted to get out of this video is I want your comments, and I will tell you now exactly what to comment below this video. I'm doing a quick survey just to see how many Forex traders are out there, how many Forex traders are following my videos and are following my trading style. So I want you to head over to errolmuller.com. I'm the owner, the founder, and the CEO of this website. It's regarding multiple sources of income in order to set up multiple sources of income for you to make money while you sleep, while you're awake, while you're working a day job, while you're traveling, whatever it is that you do. So I want you to then head over to Forex Trading. And if you are interested in that specific robot, then you click number 1, you enter your email address. That is robot number 1. A very profitable robot as well, and I am busy setting up this live stream, and I'll talk about it in every single video. As robot number 2, you want to enter your email address as well. There's 2 robots. Secondly, or thirdly, doesn't matter, I will not share something with you which I do not either use myself or I believe in it and I trust in it. Okay. So that is definitely something for you to check out. So this huge Forex trading opportunity that I was talking about, and I need your full attention right now while you're watching me. In the comments right now, this is very, very, very important. In the comments right now, comment, Errol, I would like to be part of this opportunity, or I would like to follow you taking every single trade that you take. Literally, I'm talking about a system here whereby you invest the money and that's it. You leave the money, you invest the money, and every single time I take a trade, your account takes a trade on your behalf, but following my trading style, generating on average 12 to 15% growth per month. Big, huge, fat disclaimer, I cannot guarantee any of the results. This video is of no financial advice, and I highly suggest you do your own research on everything that I am sharing with you. For now, it's a huge opportunity that I'm busy with, and I just want to do a survey to see how many of you are willing and looking at following a trading style like this, and what I'm talking about right now, whereby you basically almost do zero. You have to literally almost put in zero effort. Okay, like almost zero effort. So that is very important. Is for you, if you just want to put the money in, leave it, let me basically trade on your behalf, although it's your account, your everything. While I take a trade, your account takes a trade on your behalf. You can do whatever you want to do, and as my money grows, your money will grow. Are you interested in something like that? If you are interested in something like that right now, very important, I want you to comment this specific line: Forex trading opportunity. Okay, Forex trading opportunity. That will let me know that yes, you are interested in that. I'm not going to do it if there's nobody commenting. I need to see action on this. I'm not going to do it. There's no use of me sharing all my years worth of knowledge and my wealth worth of knowledge if there's no interested individuals looking at something like this. So once again, in the comments right now, Forex trading opportunity, go ahead, comment that right now. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next video, because I'm about to launch that opportunity very, very, very shortly. So pay close attention to every single video that I upload. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and definitely give this video a like and share it with a fellow family member, a Forex trader. You don't have to be a Forex trader. All you need to do is just have the money to do the investment, and then everything from there happens almost automatically. So go ahead, share this video with friends and family, share it on social media, Facebook, wherever you want to share it, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Enjoy.